Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Update Chrome OS, sign into your Google profile, and make an NVIDIA account if you don't have one. Once done, choose a Geforce Now membership that matches your needs and link any game stores. Make sure you pair a controller or confirm keyboard/mouse input works. Also, test your connection on a nearby speed test. You want consistent latency under 40 ms and upload/download speeds above 15 Mbps, so streaming stays smooth. Now you launch the service. Open Chrome and go to the Geforce Now web client or install the Android app if your Chromebook supports it. Sign in with NVIDIA, then link and authorize your Steam, Epic, or other stores so your own games appear. Once your library populates, choose a game and pick a server region nearest you. Adjust streaming quality. Opt for 720p/60 on weaker links or 1080p/60 for faster networks. So you balance visual. Start the game and immediately test controls and responsiveness. Remap buttons if needed. If you encounter stutter, reduce stream resolution or frame rate, switch to Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and pick a closer server region. Should sign in or streaming fail, quit the app, clear browser cache, and reboot your Chromebook before retrying. If issues persist, check account subscription status and verify the game is supported. These steps usually restore play quickly, so you can get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.